fabric enthusiasts, welcome back to FabFlaire. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of mechanical finishes in fabrics. Join me as we unravel the craft and science behind these processes, explore how mechanical finishes enhance fabric properties, and discover the diverse applications across the textile industry. Our exploration is divided into 3 sections, each peeling back a layer of the intricate artistry and scientific precision involved in textile tailoring through mechanical finishes. The artistry of textile tailoring. Our journey commences with a deep dive into the exquisite artistry that defines textile tailoring through mechanical finishes. Imagine skilled hands meticulously guiding fabric through a dance with machinery, transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary. This section is a celebration of craftsmanship, the delicate touch that turns a simple textile into a work of art. From the rhythmic strokes of shearing to the gentle caress of brushing, every step in mechanical finishes is a brushstroke on the canvas of fabric. Calendaring and embossing become the sculptor's tools, molding textures and appearances with precision. Join me as we explore the intimate synergy between artisanal skill and textile machinery, witnessing the magic where patterns emerge, textures evolve, and fabrics come alive. It's a symphony of human touch and mechanical precision that results in fabrics not just seen but experienced, where the essence of artistry is woven into the very fibers of each creation. The science behind mechanical finishes. As we peel back the layers of textile tailoring, we unveil the intricate science orchestrating the magic of mechanical finishes. This section is a journey into the microscopic realm, where fabric transformation becomes a precise discipline governed by scientific principles. Singeing, a seemingly simple process, involves the controlled application of flame to eliminate protruding fibers, creating a smoother surface. Mercerization, a chemical dance with cotton fibers, enhances strength and luster, unlocking a world of possibilities. Calendaring, where fabric meets heated rollers, is a ballet of pressure and temperature that imparts sheen and smoothness. It's a meticulous marriage of textile knowledge and physical forces, where the behavior of fibers is understood on a molecular level. Join me as we demystify the intricacies of singeing, mercerizing, calendaring, and other mechanical finishes, unraveling the scientific precision that elevates textiles from raw material to refined art. Here, the machinery becomes a scientist, and every fabric a canvas, where science and aesthetics converge in a symphony of textile perfection. Applications across the textile industry. Now let's traverse the expansive landscape of textile applications, where the impact of mechanical finishes resonates across diverse sectors. This section is a panoramic exploration, revealing how the craft and science of mechanical finishes manifest in our everyday surroundings. In the realm of fashion, mechanical finishes play a starring role, shaping the very fabric of our style. From the plush softness of brushed cotton in casual wear to the crisp, tailored perfection of calendared fabrics in formal attire, every stitch bears the mark of meticulous textile tailoring. Venturing into home textiles, our living spaces are adorned with the results of fabric manipulation. Bed linens embody the luxurious touch of shearing, while curtains and upholstery showcase the elegant impressions left by calendaring and embossing. Yet, the influence extends further. Workwear gains durability and functionality through carefully applied finishes, while industrial applications benefit from the resilience imparted by singeing and mercerization. And there you have it, the captivating journey through the craft and science of mechanical finishes in fabrics. From the artistry that adorns our everyday textiles to the intricate science that underpins the processes, textile tailoring is a harmonious blend of skill and knowledge. If you have a favorite mechanical finish or a question about the processes involved, share it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more explorations into the extraordinary world of fabrics. Until next time, keep embracing the craftsmanship and science woven into the very fabric of our lives.